Yeah, man. Boy, can you tell I've been working, not talking? I'll be there in a second, guys. Here we come. Early stream hype. Give me that hype. I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. Dude, what's up, man? We got this. I think we got this, guys. Man, it's a little anticlimactic having the music end, isn't it, on the starting screen? Starting screen is a necessary evil, guys. It's part of the new way. I'm getting better at it. Hi, got all your channels popping off, man. Savage Rhodes, awesome, dude. Rhodes just checked in on Kick. Thank you, Rhodes. I appreciate you, man. Rhodes will be here in a second. Stream Rock Rules, Edwin Antilano, thank you guys. Okay. I think we got what we need. Now it's time to boogie. I didn't realize I have to kill these fools. I have to kill these fools. We're going to drink. We're going to gold vow. And we're going to shoot these fools. We're going to shoot these fools. I think I have lots of time, don't I? Do I have lots of time for this, guys? Okay. Come on. Go over there. Okay. I wanted to do the moon. He's almost dead. He's dead. Sister. 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 Sister gets a moon too. Where is she? My Terra Magic is gone! What am I gonna do? It's not gonna be so easy. Should have moved. They dodged, guys. She's more than halfway. Why do I call this one a girl? Come on. Just do it! I didn't want to fight those two, man. That was so easy. Guys, I almost had to play Elden Ring. That was scary. That was scary. Hey, Todd, what is up, my brother? How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Zero summons. Yeah, no more summons, man. Favorite part? Night Jack Retailer. Love you, my brother. Todd Allen is here. Love you guys. Guys, that was it. You know, I'm like, where is my Margot's Great Rune? How come I don't have it? Margot's Great Rune, right? Don't you get it from Margot? Basically, we kind of skipped this. And I'm like, wait a minute. We have to kill these two fools. So guess what we did? We took two fools out, folks. Took them out. No summons, guys. It's a little bit scary, but with this build, and I'll tell you, the key there, that was like the twin gargoyles, but not. Kill the first one fast with the Terra Magica. I can deal without the Terra Magica. Kevin Chavary says, evening, Charlie. Sitting here in a hospital bed, acute care rehab 1 week since my double knee replacement. Got more time to watch. Charlie, Kevin Chavary, man, wishing you a speedy recovery. That's been the theme lately, man. We got a whole bunch of people right now that are going through some stuff, man. So I wish you the best. I really do. Yeah, and I want to thank Adam Sanders, Todd Allen, Edwin Atalano, Todd Allen, Petticourt, Chris Williams, Scott Remington, Gabriel Manis, Michael Ashton, and more for all the likes. It really helps the stream, guys. Early stream hype. Let's get it going. Let's get it going, guys. Say hello. Tell me what you're doing. Got a question? Ask it. You got a statement? Give it. You got a like? Hit it. You don't like me? Hit the orange button. The orange angry face. I don't care, guys. I don't care. Bad attention is better than no attention. Yeah. Okay. I love it, man. We got that. Now, if we pop up... Guys, we already have way too much health. If we pop a rune art, guys, it's going to be nasty. I don't know why I need this grace. But I'm taking it. You know, because I feel just a little bit cool about it. Let me see if I can move anything down and see something. There we go. There we go. Okay, so it's Elden Ring After Dark. We got Margot's Great Rune activated. Fire Giant. We need Commander Niall, guys. Oh, no. This is going to suck, bro. Freezing Lake. We need Commander Niall, guys. I didn't even consider this. How's your day going? My day's going good, man. We had a great Elden... I can't even talk, guys. I had a great Elden Ring stream earlier, folks. And then, and only then, did we have a nice chess stream. And now we're doing this, man. And dude, I mean, I'm off to a good start. I've made short work of those fools. This is NG+8, guys. This build is pretty nasty with the Terra Magica, man. Pretty nasty with the Terra Magica. Marica. Ooh, baby. Terra Magica. I feel like I want to go this way. Am I going the right way, guys? I do. Too bad I can't just, like, take an airstream down there, guys. We got to go this way. I don't think we need to kill the boat summoner fool. This is going to be rough, man. How did your Madness run go? It was so much fun, Todd. It was so much fun, man. You can catch up the VODs on it if you want to go back and watch them. They're right here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. And I need now then to bring that so I know what my stream looks like. Ooh, we got flowers. Guys, if you know me, I like pretty flowers. I was going to say, where's the spawning fools? There they are. He's ugly. Got a bright bird down here. I don't remember that. What is that? What is that? Oh, over here's where the boat. Where's Boat Boy, guys? I don't need Boat Boy. Deathrite Bird is on us, folks. We don't need Deathrite Bird. We need Commander Niall. I literally, it's so funny. I have so little faith sometimes. I'm like, Niall's going to be hard. Niall's always hard. But I always kill him. I don't know what I'm worried about. This build is nice, but the thing is, I don't have a lot of range. B, you made it. I know you've been busy. I'm glad you're back. Yeah, so the Madness run was fun. There were some good fights. What's going to run on the race, guys? We only have 230,000 points. We'll lose them, we'll lose them. Hey, man. Amazing on Kick says, hey, buddy, your stream looks pretty cool. Keep it up. Your content seems so impressive and fantastic. Keep working. It would be a great opportunity to discuss the issues in more detail and come with a solution together. You'd be willing to chat with me on Discord, Apple now. No. Right now, no. Right now, I'm busy streaming. But thank you for the kind words. That is one thing. Laying down so I'm awake. Nice. Nice. Well, thank you for taking us to your rest. You love to see it, folks. X equals streams. Yeah, I literally... How come there's no bird attacking me? There's no bird. Where's the bird? This is NG+8, folks. Where's the freaking bird? I'm supposed to be dying right now. The bird follows me. Yeah, I think I'm streaming on X2. I clicked yes on everything. I might as well. A little bit of... His attacks are so fast, guys. I hate him so much. Now they block the door, and they teleport to me. Go, go, go. Oh, man. Just kill me and leave my runes right here, please. That'd be great. At a convenient location so I can pick them up in 2 seconds. Yeah. I don't want those guys on my butt when I'm making the run to get the elevator. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, this is cool, man. I'm digging tonight, man. I'm gonna have a little bit of company later, which is exciting. Okay, now, yeah, I don't want that. What I do want my runes back. That'd be funny if that dude was right there. It would have been like a horror movie. Okay, just got to kind of run right through this. Get the ladder. One cool thing... Well, no, I won't be able to buff these guys. I should just kill them. I'm gonna run back. I could jump down. Dude! Did you see the freaking... The dam on that, bro? I even rolled. Willis Martins, man, how you doing, dude? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, now we can take... Can I open this door from the other side? I can't. Can I open this door from the other side? I can't. They don't... Why doesn't it tell me I can't open from the other side, though? Dude, this is so weird. Is it because I'm not playing online? Is it because I'm not playing online, guys? Why the hell was there no bird chasing me? And why the hell did that guy not just spawn? Every time I come out the door, he's like, he spawns. Yeah, that damage was nasty, Jack. Do we grab the runes? Will we get aggro? No, we're okay. Okay, we can buff inside. Now. I'm not sure what to do here. I mean, I think the thing to do is just buff up, go in, kill the one on the right, dodge, dip, dive, dodge, kill the one on the left. I don't freaking know. Caleb, what's up, dude? Caleb is part of the After Dark community, folks. You absolutely love to see it. I'm happy to see you come in, my friend. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what strat. You can't just walk in and like. I mean, you can, I guess. Even though I can't have jam. Oh, Caleb, that's great. Okay, let's drink. Let's go without. Oh, wrong volume. Let's put a full moon on that one of those fools, I guess. To help kill him faster? Where is he? I only took one hit, and he's almost dead. Get him. Get him. He's dead. Okay, they jumped forward at me. That was a horribly timed malarkey. Tell me he's weak to frost. Wow. I don't remember this freaking fight. Tell me it builds up. That was bad again. But at least I didn't get hit by the secondary. That was bad. I got hit by everyone. At least I didn't get hit by the secondary. Am I got to go earlier or later, guys? I went earlier. Earlier worked. Earlier worked. So he got frostbite on him. Earlier worked. Dude, I got iframes from drinking mana. There's no way. Okay, calm down. Earlier works. Get greedy! Get greedy, baby! First attempt, Commander Niall, guys. Woo! Guys, I got hit by the first few of those, and then I'm like, do you roll early on that? Caleb Boy said I had the most delicious dinner. Call it chicken packets, chicken breast, Parmesan, cheese, real shredded cheese. Not that stuff in green container. Butter, broccoli, avocado oil wrapped in tin foil. Caleb, that's amazing. You know what I had for dinner? I made... Okay, when I ended the chess stream, dude, that was good. That was good. I just owned that guy, man. I got hit by a few, and then I remembered how to roll, and I think I got hit once. After I remembered how to roll that one attack. What did I have? Oh, yeah, I had chicken for lunch. Ready-made chicken, like from the freaking gas station. A little chicken box for $10. 2 breasts, 2 legs. But after the chess stream, I made pasta sauce, and with 2 big old sausages in there, folks. Cut them up into little pieces, little slices. Dude, that was so easy. I haven't played this game in about 8 months, but I do not remember this boss at all. Commander Niall, you need to kill him to come up here, Jackery Taylor, to get either the first half or the second half of the Halig Tree Medallion. But it would normally be the last half, because you get the first half, I think, at Fort... Is that Fort Faroth, or is that... It's not here, because it's over there. I just know what's up here. That's it. Now, once we have this, now we have access to the Halig Tree area. Oh. Are we going to sing the Halig Tree song tonight, guys? We have hours. We have hours. We might sing the Halig Tree song tonight, guys. That could be fun. Neil Jarinsky, Rio, Caleb Boyd, Willis Martins, V. Cokelisher, Quaid Walden, Eddie Bub, Skelton, Adam Sanders. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream. I love you guys. Tree tonight. You guys are down for singing, huh? You guys want to sing? Hey, Chen069420. How you doing, Chen? Welcome. Chen is watching on on Twitch. We will have I ever been over here? Most of the chat I focus on is Facebook, but the fact is there's so little chat right now at this level on YouTube, Kick, and Twitch that I can still read them all. It's pretty cool, actually. Guys, when we get you know what I'm thinking about doing too is feeling some stuff out. You know, like maybe not stream on all platforms all the time. I'm very established on Facebook, but I'm not very established on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. What if like the chess streams do much better on Twitch? Then maybe I'll only stream Twitch. I'll only stream chess on Twitch. Facebook will get everything like we always do. You know what I'm saying? Maybe Elden Ring does better on YouTube. Well, you know, so I'm gonna watch those things and see, so that way I'll be a little bit. Because niche is better. When you're starting out, it's better to stream the same thing over and over and over again. When you already have a community like we do, you can do variety stuff. You know what I'm saying? Those are like key things to starting streaming is not to start out as a variety streamer, and I didn't, guys. I did chess every day forever. Okay, what do we got? Invasion. We don't need him, dude. I can't believe I just freaking won attempted Niall. No, Caleb. No, you're not gonna kill a Hallig tree. We're gonna kill the Hallig tree. I don't have the Kick or Twitch stuff. I'll be here on Facebook. Got you, Kirkendall. That's where I love you, brother. How you doing? Oh, that was Kirkendall that said that. Kirkendall wants a tree tonight. You may know me from Facebook. Who are you, Chen, from Facebook? I don't have to kill. Yeah. I'm going to kill a Hallig tree tonight. nice awkward pause, but it's we're going to kill the Hallig tree. What do we do, guys? Oh, we haven't killed Rykard, man, but we don't need Rykard to finish the game. I messaged Trey. Let me see if he answered me. He didn't. I messaged Trey on my personal Facebook, guys. Everyone doesn't have access to that, but my mods do, because I got to stay in touch with my mods. Yeah, and he had just been on here, but no, he's touching grass, guys. I love when Trey is not here, believe it or not, because Trey's here so much. So the lyrics is we. Yeah, we're going to kill the Hallig tree. In the hospital, my man watching from the bed, flu, bug got bad, but still kicking. Dude, do you know how many people right now are having health problems, or people that are very close to them are having very serious health problems right now? It's amazing. It's like I want to freaking. There's nothing I can do but tell you guys I love you, and I wish you comfort, and I wish you good luck with your family members that are ill. And oh my God, I mean, this is not the I'm sick, my sister's got this thing, I'm dead. This is not that stream, but it is, because it's real life and we're a community. You know what I'm saying? If someone came in and heard all the sickness talk, they'd be like, oh, what is this? Sickness talk at Charlie Sardo Gaming? They wouldn't know what to see, right? Not that there's any new people here, really. Oh, it's Sunny. Oh, Sunny Chan. It's Sunny. Sunny's watching on Twitch. Sunny, thanks, man. Thanks for being here. So we have a wild, horrible, disconcerting, is that a word? Number of our community and their very immediate family members who are like not doing well right now, man. And I freaking hate it, guys. Like, it's weighing on me to see it and to hear it. So yeah, man, happy to have y'all something to watch. Yeah, got you, Kirkendall. I love you, man. I'm so happy you're here. Where the hell do I go? I think I can burn the tree. One thing that Trey's been trying to get me, guys, is Nefeli's puppet. Okay? And if you guys remember, we went to Ranni's Rise. We went and talked to, when we last left the stream, we went and talked to Selvius, who's a hop and skip and a jump from here. I love the way you can ride your horse inside the house. It's like, get that horse outside. What the hell are you doing? So, why? And he wouldn't sell me any puppets. We had to go get an amber shard, not a starlight shard. We had to get amber shards, guys. Don't confuse them. Because the other puppets he wants starlight shards for, but he wants an amber shard. And people keep saying maybe you have to buy something from him. I own all these puppets. I'll buy one right now. I got to pay starlight shards for it. You got real sick after Christmas, taking 110 for 5 days, around the clock medicine, Tylenol, which fever reducer, and the fever kept coming back. Yeah, man, I'll tell you, when I was sick last time, man, My fever was 102 on 4 like ibuprofen. Obtain a poopin. Here's the thing. He's offering me. Maybe I have to buy something on this playthrough. I bought one of these last time. That's why I have 2 of them. So I'm gonna buy another one. Leave, and then I'm gonna rest.
Begging for another letter.
Ooh, about the scheme. About the scheme.
Perhaps you'd be interested in a little scheme of mine.
Little scheme of mine.
It will produce the finest of puppets.
This is it!
Which I aspire to cherish with these very hands.
This is it.
A ploy to fool even Lady Rani. How does that sound?
I'm interested because I want to fool Rani. And I want to get the poopit. Wait. No, but doesn't... She kills him, though. She kills him. Am I supposed to do this to get Nefeli? I could do it on the next playthrough. I get here so fast, guys. If you follow his quest, you will get the magic scorpion charm. Oh, really? Edwin Attilano? Really? If I say I'm interested and I go through this, I can, and the magic scorpion charm is what we want. Okay, I'm interested.
I knew I had you pegged.
Okay, here we go.
Just like me.
I'm not just like you,
Then
son
I'd
of a...
like you to procure something.
I hate
A
him.
rather unique starlight shard that
I already have
glistens
it.
with amber. With that, my special draft will gleam with nectar sweetness.
Already have it, folks.
And even a demigod would be slave to its charms.
Cool. Give Amber Starlight.
Well, well. You managed to lay your hands on it.
This is Selvius, yeah. Sylvius, whatever his name is.
Finally upon us.
Okay, I gotta pay attention.
Goodness gracious, the way it glistens. Utterly enchanting. To think this was once a demigod's very fate.
Okay, okay.
My,
I just gotta listen to see what he tells me what to do. Okay.
Ah. Are you still here?
Yeah, I want my puppet.
Yes, I should give you your reward.
Oh, I get the puppet
Please.
now.
It's all yours. It's splendid work. It's just marvelous.
I got the magic scorpion charm.
Now just you wait. The merriment is soon to begin.
That's what we need for our build, guys.
I promised is to be revealed very shortly.
We're gonna do more dam, bigger dam. Obtain a puppet. She's still not here. Okay. The scheme will be very shortly, he said. Okay.
You'll be flabbergasted, I can assure you.
Mm-hmm.
The secret I promised is to be revealed very shortly.
Okay. Sounds like rest. Does it sound like a rest to you guys? Sounds like a rest and a run. That is the best charm for your build. We got it, dude. We got it. Drew was willing to drop one for me, man. Drew could have just came in, man, and dropped one for me. But you know what? I was like, yeah, or I could, you know, I could do it myself because I'd never done that before. So I'm glad we waited. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I've ever gone this far with Silvius's quests. Damn, we got error right there, didn't we, guys? I mean, it probably looked better than it was because we were going downhill. But it looked like we got some good error right there, man. Torrent is kicking butt these days, folks. Check him out. He's like a goat horse. Give me... Now he's going to tell me to go do something to Rani.
Good. It's finally complete. The perfection of my draft gleaming.
Won't she be mad at me?
Sweet. Give it to Rani and ensure she drinks it.
Okay.
The dead-eyed doll lets down her guard in your presence, rather remarkably. Though she might dip her hands in the dirt and feign that icy persona, She's a frail, gentle girl at heart.
I hate him so much. Attain a puppet. Still no puppet. Okay, wait. About the is it, guys? How do you pronounce that? Is that draft or drought?
The dead-eyed doll lets down her guard in your presence, rather.
Is it draft or
she
drought?
might dip her hands in
Yeah, it increases magical damage.
that icy persona. She's a frail.
So Edwin, am I supposed to go give this to Ranny now? Because I thought she'll kill Selvius. But our goal is to get a Nepheli. Nepheli? You know what I'm talking about? Puppet from him. And make her our own. We already freaking poisoned her. We might as well make a puppet out of her. Draft. If I give you that, Ranny. If you give that to Ranny, she will insta-kill you. Really? So I don't give it to Ranny? How the hell then am I supposed to get a puppet out of this freaking fool? I never did this quest, and I hear the item you get is good for magic builds. Yeah, dude, I never got it on one of my other runs, I don't think. Come on, man. Is this the right place? Is Angry Blade going to be here? I don't know what to do. Edwin, have you ever gotten the Nepheli puppet? Jeff Conley, After Darkest Unite. Jeff, do you know this game as good as Drew? Guys, we have a great rune. Here we go. We activated a great rune, guys, in case we need it, but game's been pretty easy so far. Too bad Trey isn't available. He's the man. Yeah. How? I'm just afraid. You said if I give it to her, she'll insta-kill me. Edwin knows that much. But, I mean, not from the whole game. Like, just, I can run back and get my runes, right? My 459,000 runes. Oh, I think what I wanted to do is rest. Well, he told me don't give her the freaking thing because then you can't... then because she kills Selvius. Shall I look it up, guys? How to get Nepheli puppet. I'll tell you guys. And I'll even read it. There's a Reddit thing. There's so many questions here. How do I get Nepheli go to Stormvale? How do you get the puppet from Selvius? Offer you one of his puppets. Nepheli puppet. Where to find it? Can be collected in Carrier Manor from Pidia if Nepheli drank Selvius' potion. After advancing Randy's questline to the point where you give her the Fingerslayer blade and she departs from Randy's rise, Selvius will die. Now you head down to revisit Pidia and you will hear him pleading for his life from the puppets. After you arrive, you'll find his corpse in the middle of 3 standing puppets. Can't be attacked. His corpse as this puppet and Pidia's ball bearing. However, if Nepheli didn't drink the potion, Dolores, the sleeping arrow puppet, will be found instead. She drank the potion on this playthrough, guys. Right? That was his playthrough, right? So hard to remember, guys. Yeah, no. It is because I've gone this deep. I've gone this deep with what's his face, man. I've been following this. Yeah, too bad Drew's not here either, man. It's okay though. Jeff Conley, thanks for the like, dude, and Neil Jurinsky, man. Thank you guys for the likes. So, it's saying don't give her the potion. it says I got to go see Pydia. And that's where I got to drop down, like down outside from here, drop down and go through a hole in the freaking floor. Kind of like what you do for the Sword of Night and Flame, but not exactly. Can be collected in Carrier Manor from Pydia if Nefeli Lu drank Selvius's potion, after advancing Ranni's quest line to the point where you give her the Finger Slayer blade, and she departs from Ranni's Rise. I might have already screwed it up. Selvius will die. Now when you head down to revisit Pydia, you will hear him pleading for his life from the puppets. After you arrive, you'll find his corpse in the middle of 3 standing puppets. Can't be attacked. His corpse has the puppet and Pydia's ball bearing. However, if Nefeli didn't drink the potion, Dolores is sleeping. Okay. Well, look. One thing we can be pretty sure of, right, guys? If I just looked it up, Caleb. I just looked it up and read it twice, man. How do you tell if you gave her the potion? I don't need to look that up, because he gives us the potion at the beginning of the game. Right? I mean, when we practically first meet him. And so if I don't have it on me, and it's like a, am I running with the debuff, guys? If I have the Balchin's Blessing on me? Selvius's potion usually is in my main. I have 1 Bewitching Branch. Didn't even need it, guys. I don't see it here. It wouldn't be there. It's not going to be in crafting materials. It's not going to be in... I have 99 golden seeds, guys. And 28 stored. That's a lot of golden seeds. 42 sacred tears. That's hilarious. Keys. The keys to Selvius's potion. We got our Haligtree medallion, guys. Amber, that's the thing. See, that's the thing. This is the one I'm supposed to give Ranni. You know what I'm saying? But I don't see Selvius's potion. So if I don't have it, I believe we did it. Because we were here trying to get him to sell me. Yeah, no, I gave it to her. She drank it. She drank it. She drank it. So now here's the scary part. Is it going to give me the option to give her the drink? Because if I give her the drink, then she's going to die. I'd rather not give her the drink. Maybe I screwed up by even accepting the drink. I got 99 golden seeds, man, and a sacred tear ain't one. Let's try it, guys. I'm going to talk to her. I'm gonna dude. If I gotta do the whole damn thing again, I'll do it again. As long as it doesn't ruin the freaking the Burn All invasion. No. Oh my God! It's too late.
Ah, it was thee, not Blythe it seemeth. Even in my slumber I sensed it. It is.
This is horrifying, Jeff.
Is it not? The hidden treasure of Nokron. My thanks.
Okay, now, I just read this. She's going to take this thing I got from Nokron, a dagger or something.
Upon the dark path only I may tread.
And Selvius is going to die. And then we parkour to Pydia.
I shall entrust thee with this.
Inverted statue.
My thanks for thy sterling efforts. A strange gift, perhaps. But a rare sort such as thee would welcome it, I'm sure. I am certain now. Fate steered us to our first encounter. I must thank Torrent too.
I hope I'm not screwing this up.
You may leave now. It was but brief. But thou gavest me fine service.
Okay, wait, now let's see if I talk to her.
What is it? You may go.
So I had the chance.
And depart on a journey.
I had a chance to give her the potion, and I did not. I said no.
What is it? I too.
She's done.
What is I too?
I thought it says like hand over the thing or whatever, but she was talking like I gave it to her. Got 99 problems, but a golden seed ain't one. Twining, guys. Give me, man. Oh man. Trey's gonna be like, no. Hey guys, life of a streamer. You know what, man? I got so much freaking time. She's gonna be gone now, guys. I'm gonna go look. And I think Selvey'll still be dead. No, he's not gonna be dead. He's gonna be Pitia. I don't remember exactly how to get to Pitia, but I remember kind of how to get to Pitia. And if you can't find her, I pity you. That was pretty dad joke. Sorry, guys. It just sounded like it. She's gone, guys. I'm grabbing the Grace. In case you ever want to come and remember Randy the Witch. Because I am Charlie the Witch. Dude. We are invested now, man. We are stuck. How's it going, man? Hey, Devin Lance. How you doing, dude? Welcome to the stream. Devin is watching on YouTube. Folks, you absolutely love to see it. If you like what you see, throw me a sub. Loving the content so far. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you. I've been doing this full time for 3.5 years. I just started streaming on, throwing some streams on Twitch and YouTube. I'm a Facebook gaming partner, and they kind of changed the rules. They changed the rules. We're going to go look and see if Selvius is there. He's probably not going to be. Armpitia. Yeah. Yeah. I think he's not going to be there. I think, as we just read on the Fextra Life wiki or whatever it's called. Dude, those dogs used to be such a scary thing. I'm telling you, first playthrough, I'm like, there's dogs. I have to kill them. And then I, like, go out, and the dogs are attacking me, and it's like, this sucks, and I die, and I run back and get my runes. I'm telling you, man. This game is such a trip, dude. And then you just, like, you skip bosses, you run past everything. It's crazy. Gonna switch to YouTube. At least I can minimize the video and go look up stuff while listening and watching you. Caleb, whatever works for you best, man, but you're not gonna have this chat. You know what Trey does? Because Trey wants to watch. There we go. He's supposed to be. He's not supposed to be here, guys. I don't want to loot that yet. Oh my god. I followed the freaking instructions. Oh no, but it said... Cue the ominous music. Oh man, do you know this game? Devin, man, I'm trying to get a freaking Nepheli puppet, man. It's not freaking working for me. It's just like... It keeps walking 2 steps ahead of where I am. I can never get it, man. Oh, I hear him! Listen! He's down there. They said you're going to hear him. The puppets are killing him, guys. The puppets are killing him. We're going to get the freaking Nepheli puppet! And then we'll go back and loot the other body, too. Because, you know, I'm all about that. Well. Okay. Did you guys... Dude, where is he? Oh my god, he's right here, I think. That's why we can hear him. Three puppets, unattackable. This is it! But I think I did this before. I remember these 3 unattackable puppets, although... Guys, we're gonna get the freaking Nepheli puppet. It's gonna be in this loot right here. Photo op. Me and dead Selvius just tortured by the 3... They call them poopits, but they look like soldiers to me. It worked, guys. That's awesome. I hope you get the attention you deserve. Keep it up. Have a great night. Devin Lance, thank you, man. I appreciate it. The puppet. Oh, man. It's been ages since I played this game. This is a Nepheli puppet, man. Remember Nepheli? She's like the warrior girl that helps you in a couple of fights. if you use summonses like I usually do. And I thought I screwed it up, man. Oh, dude, thank you, man. Caleb, thank you, man. Maybe you could post it in the sub-only group for Trey to see, if you would. The moment Charlie gets the Nepheli puppet, man. Okay, guys. I thought I screwed it up. And we didn't kill Ranny. And Selvius is dead. Today's a good day. Piteous ball bearing. Hey! Might want to... Wait, let me turn around for it. Might want to screen this one, too. Oh, look at that. Wait. Oh, look at that shot, man. Look at that shot. Do I think I want to... I think I want to... But the problem is when I hit... How come it won't... I'm doing... There we go. Okay, good. Yeah, I have the snipping tool, folks. New. And then I will take a snipping tool scenario of this, and I'm going to save it too. Okay, I got to go back to this, and I have to say save. Dude, we've been trying to get that. And I'll tell you this, it hasn't been easy, folks. It hasn't been easy. Where the hell is my cells? Cells, right? I put it in cells. Save. Dude, I'll tell you something. Just because of the way that almost got taken away from me, and I thought maybe I wasn't going to get it, it means so much to me. I feel like I just got to upgrade in World of Warcraft. I really do. Inventorio. Wait. Okay, what do we got over here? Fanged Imp, Ashes +9. Let's switch them out. Nepheli Lou, poop it! Oh, I wish I could summon her right now. I will put them all in the Chillers Club. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you, Caleb. I love that. I really appreciate that, Caleb. Wow. Yeah, what Trey does is, because Trey can watch on his big TV outside in the living room, he can watch from YouTube, so he watches on YouTube, but he keeps on his phone, he keeps chat up on his phone on Facebook, because the chat here's, at this point, it's more active. Who knows, man? Restream, congratulations, you received 100 messages today with Restream chat. Yeah, that's not, I mean, thanks for telling me. Dude, I want to go, oh, well, first, guys, and we have money. Let's go see if we can level her up. Can you level the puppets up? Can you level the puppets up? Oh, the wife is home, took over the TV. Oh, you're fine, man. You do what you do. You do whatever works for you, man. Yeah, no, you do you, man.
I never knew. Although
as long as you're here, Caleb, I don't care how you watch the stream, man.
I'm still looking. It's all a bit much for me. I'm still looking.
What? We don't have her trained up to even... Can you level the puppets? Edwin Ocelano, can you... Are you here? Can you level the puppets? Or do they just stay one level? I'm so curious.
It's all a bit. I'm still looking.
Tell her what the blacksmith said.
Telling me I possess some kind of...
yeah, using the ghost globe where it's the little white glowing plants. Well, yeah.
If I do...
You can level the puppet, says Joe Hallett. Cool. And that's what Devin Lance said, too. Yeah, because...
Certainly he does.
I don't know if I've ever leveled a puppet before.
I suppose I'll ask Matt.
She'll ask him to teach me. You can level them. And do you know if they take Grave or Ghost?
I suppose I'll ask Master.
Yeah, I have to talk to him first. And he's gonna be like, what? She said that about me?
Divinity, have mercy and grant me forgiveness.
Dude, look at this freaking guy. He's freaking a slave. He's sitting there just praying.
Will have your wish. So please.
Do you think he gets to keep the money when he charges me runes to upgrade my weapon? I doubt it. I feel weird about doing business with this guy. You know what I mean? It's like
Who is it? I didn't. I'll be doing.
because he's not here on his own accord.
Those words were not meant for you. Maybe prison my brain. Well,
About Roderica. Would you watch over her?
if you'll mind.
You're out of mind. She doesn't want to come hang around me. You leveled up Pinocchio and Liza P, so yes, you leveled up a puppet. He's praying for Charlie to cut him loose. He's praying for all you guys that are freaking sick right now and your freaking family members that are freaking having health problems. It's what she wants.
To believe it,
And if any prayer would work,
but I know.
it'd be from a good-hearted old fart like this with freaking chains on his legs. That's the guy I want praying for me, right there. How do we bust him out, guys? How do we bust him out? I don't need prayers right now, guys. I mean,
If I do,
it's not a religious
I'll ask Master.
show.
If I suppose I should. I'll ask.
But I'm just saying. You guys that are sick need prayers. We need prayers to stop the freaking burning on someone's freaking foot or leg or whatever. Hey, she's gone. Or whatever it is, right? We need freaking Kirkendall out of hospital. We need someone's little baby boy to freaking be okay. We got like all kinds of sicknesses. Caleb's freaking health problems. He's got to deal with all this crap.
That he has taught me I'm as yet.
That's what we need, guys. Wish there was a way to do that.
Roderick,
There's something you should
I need
know.
to warn you a little while, and I can howl a plethora of
Okay,
even the
a nice
Queen
DLC
should think you
add-on.
strong,
Don't know how
but
you would
please.
upgrade equipment if they made that possible. Spirit tuning. Okay. Nefeli. They take ghosts. And I hope I have these super ghosts, because she's done. She's done, guys. I think we got her level 10, guys. Trey's going to be so happy. I feel like I'm standing in fire right now. In Hardcore World of Warcraft, like, you don't want to stand in fire, guys. Because you could die. Nefeli Lou Puppet level 10, folks. You absolutely can't believe you love to see it, but you do. And so here I'm talking about how Hugh, or whatever his name is, I feel bad that he's sitting there with chains on his legs. And then we freaking poisoned her so Selvius could steal her soul. And then we betrayed him and didn't give Ranny the amber draft. And so she had the puppets kill him. And then now we get this Nefeli puppet to play with. I feel bad about it. Kirkendall, there has to be anti-hospital ball bearing somewhere. Charlie did it on his own. We did, well, hey, a little bit of Google, a little bit of chat, right, guys? Oh, you're right. My dung eater, Joe, you're right. It's like, duh. My dung eater is level 10 puppet. You're right, man. Okay, what can we kill, guys? What can we use her to kill? Poopy Dragon. I don't wish Poopy Dragon on anybody. I hate that freaking dragon, man. We could just let her solo something, man. Something easy, like, something easy, like, I just want to see her. Well, it can be an Everjail. Where is this? The first step, Coastal Cave. First step, that's pretty close. Church of Ella, Stormfoot Catacombs. One thing we probably didn't do in this, guys. I love watching your streams, Todd. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Jeff Conley says, "Eat or poop it, poop eater puppet." The summons with Trey and Drew. Those streams were really fun to watch. Yeah, you know, I have an idea, man. I don't know how many of y'all play on PC. Most of you, I think, don't. You know, it'd be really cool if they made cross-play available for this game, right? Because then a lot of us could play together. But I think my next playthrough may be a summons, and I'm going to summon subs which Trey and Drew are subs, and they already get summoned to help me anyway. So like, you know, subs, and my son, for the whole playthrough. For the whole playthrough. If I'm streaming, no one's on. Okay, I'll summon Nepheli or Dung Eater or one of these other ones, right? But I'm gonna do a playthrough. The build I'm not too worried about, but I want to make it summon for every fight I can. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I could even do? I could put the finger down. I could summon strangers. PS5 is what I play on. Oh yeah, and Todd Allen Petticourt says tomorrow's my birthday. Big 29. Nice. Is that like at midnight? Edwin says you can go to Rykard to advance the Bernal invasion. Do I have to do Rykard for that? I thought all I have to do is... I thought when you kill Rykard, you can't do the invasion. What's his freaking Bernal? What's his freaking thing called again? I think I wrote down Bernal's hammer, man. That doesn't help me. Bernal's hammer, but it's called like the Scepter of Knowledge or some malarkey. I'm gonna check that real quick too, guys, because how to get BRN? It's AHL, right? AHL. How to get Bernal's weapon. Okay. Devourer's Scepter. That's what I need. That's my last legendary armament, guys. We get that tonight. I finish all achievements on Steam. That's a Reddit. I was hoping to click on the same thing that I just clicked on, that Fex Strip thing. But this Sportskedia thing, esports and gaming. Even if he is a vendor from perspective progression, it's alright to kill him, and once he dies, players will automatically be gifted his full best. That's the armor. That's as well as he devours Scepter. What? There's no way. I could have just killed him. Once you kill Rykard, everybody lives to a manner, and he goes to Farum Azula. Okay. Cool, Charlie. You can do it all night long. Hey, man. Shed Snow says the Seamless Co-op mod. That Seamless Co-op mod. Yeah, I don't have any mods, man. I have not yet played with a mod. No. I did get the Only Up Trainer, though. And installed it. What the hell just happened? Why did my game just minimize? I wasn't doing anything. Okay. Once kill Rykard, everyone leaves Volcano Manor, and he goes to Farum Azula. Okay. You have been having some lag. Oh, have I? Let me take a look. Has anyone else been having lag? This is not the one I want. I want another window. Is it this one? That's just a Facebook window. I don't. Why is that one even open? I gotta. Oh, I guess I could just go there myself. Looks good to me. Nothing major. Nothing major. Jay Cook, what's up, my brother? Yo, yo. Oh, my God. Come on. Come on. I want to go here. I want to go to the three dots. I knew it was coming because I know Jay. 50 Facebook Gaming Stars. Thank you, man. Edit live video. And then Jay Cook with another. I want to look at my stream health, guys. Yeah, I mean, this looks really healthy. This looks really healthy. And then on top of that, OBS says dropped frames 0. So, and the reason I always do this, because when someone tells me they're having problems, I want to know if it's my internet, it's red. That's when it's out. Or it'll wave real big. It's nothing. It's fine. And I will drop frames. And I have 0 drop frames. So there's nothing I can do, and actually there's nothing wrong with my stream. Okay. Now I will bring back this. This one I'm going to close. So that's not live. Then, guys, if you guys know any Windows, have you ever got, you guys ever watched like, this is what I was looking for. The Stars Hype is real. Jay, thank you, man. Have you guys ever watched like Asmongold and he's got like 40 tabs open on the top of his screen? And, or like, I think I might have seen it with XQC too. These guys are crazy, dude. I would be afraid my computer was going to crash. It probably won't. Yeah. I did, but I checked. Whoa, I slipped. That was meant to be 50 and 50. Would you... Jay! Jay, skip the next 5 days or 10 days or whatever it takes to get the 450 back. Jay, I appreciate you so much, man. I'm sorry. I can't refund stars. I know it's not going to kill you, or else you wouldn't have bought the stars, right? You can't refund them either. Guys, can we get some stars hype for Jay, who he always comes in and gives me 50 and 50. And thank you, Jay, for that. Second off, I want to thank you for the, extra money for Charlie. I want to thank you for accidentally hitting the 0 key. Okay? Okay? That's funny, Jay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I love you. I actually feel a little bit bad about it. But I mean, I know it's not going to kill you because it's stars in your star bank. It just wasn't in the budget, folks. Okay, Reichard. We're going to go kill Reichard, guys. Nah, no worries. Cool. We're going to go kill Reichard, right? I think it's a move. It's a move. Okay, now...
If you follow the... It cannot come.
How do you get her to... How do you get her to, I thought she's the one that sends me over there. What happened to Lizard Girl? She doesn't have anything to do with this, does she? Hey, Lizard Girl, what's up? Remember me?
Have you any something? Oh, fine. It just is.
This fool.
You still alive?
Learn skills. I think I have all the skills. Yeah. I'm afraid to even talk to this fool. How do you get the Reichard? I thought... Thank you, Jay. That's hilarious, man. And yeah, all the stars hype for the extra stars. Catherine McKay's here. Catherine, how you doing? Oh, and I also want to thank Catherine McKay, Jeremy Nelson, Jay Cook, Sean Kirkendall, Pierre Mark DeMeas, Cameron Ayers, Joe Hallett, Josh Millsaps. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the stream.
Sometime like...
Now, I don't have to run through the freaking... I don't have to, like, do Volcano Manor, do I? Do I have to do Volcano Manor? Serpent, which is Reichard. That fight, I don't know about the spirit. At first, after 10 attempts, I found out about it. Yeah, I didn't know so much either. But, last playthrough sucked. Because it sucked in this area because, like, I was, fire damage. And those freaking lizards out here, the snakes, they would not freaking die, man. They would take, like, no damage. That's gonna get to, I think you have to go through all of it, not sure of any shortcuts. Yeah, Caleb, cool. I remember this. I remember the route. We're gaming, guys. This is freaking fun. I love this. I've got to walk. Now let's see. Let's just see how this guy takes to my frost. Too far away. Dude, he's freaking... See? I'm telling you right now. The reason I had to shoot him so many times is because all those shots missed. But the fire damage did like, I don't know, 10% of that damage or something. Why must I loot? Why, oh, why must I loot? Got this. You can do the invasions or teleport to Rykard. You can run through the prison town. What? I did the invasions. Oh, I didn't do them all. I didn't do them all. I spent a lot of time in here farming for the Black Dumpling game. Ah! Those guys will ruin your freaking life, folks. Get to the grace. Just get to the Greek. Get to the Greek. Those guys grab your head. The grab is a kill every time, I think. You got this. Easy peasy. We have a Godskin Noble. Not to be confused with the Roly-Poly Man or the twins. The husband and wife team. You guys know the ones I'm talking about? What are they called? Godskin Nobles? What is that fight called? It's a Godskin Apostle or something, right? Oh, and we have a worm down here, but I don't want to... guys, I'm doing this right now to get through... Oh, you don't go behind. You go this way. I'm doing this to get through this thing. I ain't here to freaking kill magma worms. I could totally kill the magma worm. I'm not going to. That was sick, man. You can die quick. Magma worm. How do you know which one goes up or down? Can you tell? I don't remember. Let me look up. Oh, well, that... Yeah, this one doesn't go up. This one goes up. I think. Watch it go down. Hey! Guys, there's an elusive Somber 5. I'm going to show you guys where it is. You ever need a Somber 5? I'm going to show you where it is. Been watching this for a while. For a year. I should know the whole game by now. You know what? And I have this problem with the... Hey, Watchful! Face, blue, wide eyes. Hey, Watchful, how you doing, man? What is going on? Welcome to the stream. Watchful is watching on YouTube, man. Drop me a sub if you like what you see. We're going to do all the Elden Ring downloadable content probably multiple times. This guy could be a little bit of a hassle, man. There's no grace here. I want to, like, run past him, but I feel like I got to kill him. I hate the range on this. Dude, the targeting is awesome on that freaking... I didn't even realize how good that was. Well, for the mana you wasted me, I'm going to go ahead and grab your freaking... Okay, there's a Godskin Apostle in there, right, guys? We got to open up the bridge, folks. We got to open up the bridge. I forget every little detail. Yeah, my Mambo number 5. A little bit... I should do Mambo number 5 with freaking stream names. A little bit of Caleb by my side. A little bit of Watchful, da da da. A little bit of Cameron in the sun. A little bit of Kirkendall. Da da da. I don't even know the rhymes, guys. I don't even know the rhymes. It's pretty... That's a great song, though. You know that? It's a fun song. It sounds good. I like that. You got this, says Rhodes. Yeah, I love it, man. Rhodes is over there checking out the tube. I know that Arrow Talisman helps range with Rock Sling. I wonder if it works with Frost spells. The Arrow Talisman, I think it doesn't. Because it doesn't help with magic. It helps with Rock Sling because Rock Sling is not magic. It is gravity. It's gravity damage. And I think it's actually physical damage, right? Little bit of Rita, all I need, little bit of Halleck Tree. Da, 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 da. Okay. This is going to be tricky. I feel like I need to do something. I feel like I need to do the poopy spinny. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, guys? You guys know what I mean about the poopy spinny, right? I'll show you guys. Trey taught me. And here. And I think I can drink now because I'm not gonna top off. Almost did. Okay, Golden Vow. I wonder if I should put a moon on one of these fools. I don't even know if it'll get to him with all these freaking pews in here. I'm going to try and get a moon on the god skin. Oh, no, but this isn't a roly-poly god skin. Oh, wait. It is. Oh, I thought there was multiple. I thought there was multiple. Where's my freaking Terra? I got a couple of them off. I need health pots. Guys, I learned this from Little Aggie. Well, he got caught up on that pole, but he won't always get caught on the pole, guys. He won't always get caught on the pole. Oh, mana. Got lucky. Whoa! You got me. That worked. There's no way. Dude, I thought that was someone coming to help me. I'm like, Mimi, get your butt over here. Oh my god, he got lucky there. Got him! Not my proudest moment. Not my proudest moment. But I'm telling you, I think what he expects sometimes when the guy's trying to roll, I don't, maybe he did get caught up here. But no, I think if he's over here, he'll get caught right here in this little corner. If you run around right here when he starts to do it, so he will keep him a position over here somewhere, and then when he starts to roll, he goes like this and he goes like this. Bang. And the guy hangs up on the wall. I think. It looks and sounds good on the tube. Thank you, man. Use buffs. I buffed, didn't I? Didn't I buff? Watchful? Did I not buff? You got this, man. Caleb is cheering for me. Way to go, man. Thank you. Thank you, Caleb. Now, is this the back way to get to Rykard? Like... Serp. Oh, we didn't even put on our new toy! Okay. Greatly boosts the attack of power of skills. I'm not using a lot of skills right now. We're doing sorcery. So we're going to put on... Dude, we had this thing. Magic Scorpion Charm. Raises magic attack power, but lowers damage negation. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't rest? Did I not rest? I didn't rest. Duh. No, I totally should rest at Grace Caleb. Thank you for watching my butt. Send stars to show your support. The pinned comment, send stars to show your support. And Jay Cook says, You sent some support, all right. And I should actually... Yeah, because we're going to be using Rykard's Malarkey. See, I thought there was going to be... Isn't this the hard way to get to Rykard? Isn't this the hard way to get to Rykard? I mean, I don't mind. Those little poopies are a little bit annoying. Like, I remember the maiden, I remember running in, but I'm not remembering what's inside after that. What happens if I, like, ride the wall here? The maiden's still going to be there, huh? I didn't do that right. There's a poopy right here, guys. Let's see how he does, how he feels about my... You better hide. He's got a shield! But it does mass damage, man. Wow. Is there bad guys in here? I think there are. Is there loot here or something? What is this? What's this way? I don't even remember that, but that's not the way I gotta go. The speedrunners just run through here, guys. And Whip Boy. Get a little bit of stamp for this. I feel like I remember... I mean, I know I remember this, but for some reason, I feel like I know... Wow. Oh my god, I knew I should have killed him. I told you he was going to be a problem. I don't know, never took shortcuts, can't remember. Right. Got you. Yeah, see, for me, yeah, in the portals here. Okay, got it. For me, it's like when you're driving and you know, like Google Maps is giving you directions and stuff. It's harder to remember. You know what I mean? It's like, it's harder to remember the drive than if, like, maybe you're reading it and if someone's just telling you which way to go. If you drive once, a certain drive. But when you're streaming the game and people are telling you what to do, I don't remember because I'm lazy, because my mind's like, I can just ask. Person, turquoise, waving face, orange, raised eyebrow face, red, heart shape, face, fuchsia, poop shape. Rose, did you do some emotes? Run like you need to go pick up runes you dropped. Yeah, right. That's what I did, man. That's what I did, folks. Okay. Now, I did say no summons, but I didn't say I'm not going to use the. Should I try, guys? I'm sure he does fire damage. Yeah, it read out like that. Get the grace, Joe Hallett. I'm a bad Souls player. You guys make up for it. Ready? Get the spear. I have my own spear. It's I think I'm gonna use the spear, man. Especially no summons. I mean, I don't know. You guys want to try it? Now he won't attack, right? Do we have like cutscenes here? There's no spear because I'm not gonna have enough mana, guys. What did I do? I can't. Can I go right back? Did I feel weird about my flasks, man. I feel like if because I'm going to try and kill him by myself. No summons, no poopy sword. But like 9 and 5, I think I got to go like at least 8 and 6. No spear does it. Requisite a quest to be completed. Yeah, right. Yeah, no, I have a spear on me already, Caleb. That's already like probably level 10. We could check and see. Just based on the damage I was doing earlier, I think I got to go like 7 and 7. And I can tell you right now, in this freaking room, I'm not going to have enough. I'm not going to have enough. Let's check out my sword, guys. Oh, and I should put sword. Maybe we'll put the sword on, just in case. Where's my serpent hunter spear, guys? Oh, it's a spear. So I got. Wait, I didn't. There's no. Those are thrusting swords. Like that's what that fool was just using against me. It's the biggest. It's the biggest freaking one of the bunch. There it is right there. Serpent Hunter plus 10. Okay, so I have one on me. If I run out of mana. Fair enough. And I'll get it by doing this. And I'll go like this. I'll two-hand it. Whoa, no. Like that. Yeah. Boy, yeah. Like I'm going to pull that off in the fight. Okay. Okay, let's do this. You got this. I have faith in you. I feel like I want one more health pot. I'm going to be doing a lot of damage with the mana, though. Let's just give it a shot, guys. Let's just... I mean, guys, nothing's going to happen. I got to pee so bad. Maybe I'll give you motivation. Okay, I want to get the ball on him. Get him. Got him. Okay. That didn't work. I'm going to have to go in, and there's only 600,000 runes on the floor right there, guys. You're in my mind. I feel a pee coming on also. I feel a pee coming on. Joe Hallett's got me covered, guys. With that little grace reminder. Okay, so no Terra Magica. I'm going to run up on him and Renala's full moon him. Is he moving yet? Dude, I rolled too early. Do I not die here? I thought for sure I died. And I get hit by that every time, guys. I don't know how to dodge that one. Yeah, not a lot of damn, guys. I'm taking a lot of damage, man. I think I'm going to try this with my Serpent Hunter. Does anyone know what type of damage the Serpent Hunter does? Because it makes a big freaking laser beam, right, guys? It makes a huge laser beam. But is that magic? And I'll tell you something else. That magic Scorpion Charm that we equipped makes me take way more damage. And I thought about that before I went in. I do more damage. A shark with a freaking laser beams. Cameron Ayers is over on YouTube, says, Phage Orange biting nails. What's up, chillers? Cameron, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, my brother? Now, there's a way to make a pop-out chat, and right underneath me here, I could, but I don't know how to make it translucent. I don't know how to make it translucent, man. I don't know how to make it translucent. That all looks good. Appearance, embed in stream. Let me see. Scale. Right. Colorized author names. Show avatars. Show viewer counter. In compact mode. But this looks like it has a blue thing behind it. I might even have... Oh, I might have deleted that. I might even have one on here. Restream chat. Well, shit. But, I mean, you guys can't read that, can you? I could, like... I mean, that looks small to me, dude. I mean, that looks really small to me. I got a big screen, guys. Maybe I can, like, maybe I can do, like, make it a little smaller. Right? Watch this, wait. Because that's... Oh, no, I can't do that. Oh, watch. Wait, hold on. I'm going to make it smaller, but then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to make it bigger. Hold on a second. Settings. Scale. That. Try that. It just looks tiny, man. Right? That's way too small to read, right, guys? I'm going to go check out YouTube real quick while you're live. Not even sure I have a YouTube account. Dude, Stars Hype. John Sardelli with the 45. John's back. Dude, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. See, that chat is like way too small to read, right, guys? But it is translucent in the back. Is that too annoying, guys? Is that too annoying? It probably is. Some streamers do this, man. Let me see. Yeah, I want like this one I want to delete. Yeah. I don't know, man. And see, you can see the people that are talking on YouTube versus the people on Twitch. I mean, and Facebook. I guess I don't have an account there. That's cool. Just checking it out. Yeah. So maybe we'll leave that up, man. For now, and we'll get it dialed in. Okay. So, does anyone know? Does anyone know what? Oh, but see the background. You can still see the background, man. I want the background gone. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Message background opacity 40%. I want to bring that down. Elden Ring is it's so you can always read it. Will that do it? Let me see if that made it better. I feel like it made it worse. I want the background to kind of go away. You know what I'm saying? Because it's white, and this is Elden Ring. The whole damn game is dark. You do have an account. Oh, cool, man. Kirkendall. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Guys, be sure and sub on my YouTube. Click subscribe. It's free. And like the video. Click subscribe and like the video. And you can watch the replay from this morning. If you didn't catch it, you can watch it on YouTube. That gets me YouTube hours. Okay, I want to tweak on this for a second, guys, because it's so close. Chat background opacity. Oh, I want that number to go up, right? Let me see. No, it doesn't. I mean, it's not bad, because like if I move around, you see, you can still see behind it. You can still see behind it. That's probably fine for now. If that drives you guys nuts, let me know. Okay, we are gonna kill Rykard with this sword. That's all I need. I can buff Golden Vow. I think I want Serpent Charm gone, guys. And Rykard, okay, Rykard has to be doing fire damage, right? I don't think you need an account to watch you. Yeah, you just gotta subscribe to your stream. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, right. Yeah, this is better. And I did sub and like. Cool. Thank you. Does anyone know what damage the Serpent Hunter does? If someone wants to Google that, because I have to take a leak. Or I can Google it when I get back. But if you can tell me what kind of damage Serpent Hunter does, and also what kind of damage Rykard does. It looks like fire, guys. That has to be fire, right? I'll be right back, guys. I just got to go. Trooper Cam? You guys cool with Trooper Cam? Speak among yourselves. Dude, how cool was that the song ended when I came back? Yep. Physical, it does physical damage. Yeah. It says scales up, dex and strength. Well, I have a lot of those, so it should hit pretty hard. Got the better me instead of doing seasonal content. We loaded into Grasp of Everest with the ogre and did some damage test. Oh, I can't scroll up that far, man. John Sardelli says, got the better of me, and instead of doing seasonal content, we loaded... Is that a mistype? I don't know what that means, John Sardelli. Okay. We go like this. We go like this first. We're gonna buff up. Yeah, it was a mistype. Yeah, I'm like, looks like, are you talking about game zone? Looks like you're gaming over there, buddy. Oh. Guys, I want to kill Rykard, man. And I want it to be done, and we don't need 7 and 7 on the mana. We need some health pots, guys. And I'm gonna replace and Rykard, but the damage Rykard does to me, that has to be fire damage. There's poison too. Flasks. And he grabs. There's just fire and lava on the ground. I guess that's just one thing, right? Allocate flasks. Let's go back to like 10 and 4. That thing can't use mana, or can it? Wife went to bed, just turned on. Charlie and 65. Nice, man. Wrong type. Got you, John, man. No, it's okay, dude. I'm glad it wasn't something bad. When I say bad, I don't think you're doing anything bad. I mean something like, if you were copying, pasting, your password, or you were copying and pasting, your bank account information. You know what I'm saying? You got to be careful what you copy and paste, especially when you stream. When you're doing all the stuff I'm doing, I'm constantly copying and pasting stuff, man. You got to be careful, man. Okay, let's kill Rykard, guys. This should be good. Okay, and then let's talk about trinkets, guys. Trinkets. This thing here raises magic attack, but lowers damage negation. Rykard, do you know what kind of damage he does? This I want to get rid of and replace it with maybe like Pearl Drake. But I don't think that's magic, though. There's no boost, non-physical. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use it because I've got physical, non-physical. I've got these 2 potents of sorceries, guys. I don't need them. I can use anything else. I can use vastly boost fire damage, right? And then I could even do something like one of these things up here for like more health or something. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go for this, because this guy is not fire giant. This is just good. These are just kind of quality of life things that should just make the game easier. Might not make the fight easier. You know what I'm saying? Use the charge spell and skills. Oh, charge spells. Charged spells and skills. I could use them both. Got that one. And then what is the one for skills and charged spells? Is there one for charged spells? But is it a spell? What's the charged spell one? And skills. All right. This should melt him. A little bit of Golden Vow. Hit him hard. Oh, God, I'm scared. Why am I scared? Why am I scared? What's in my physic? Boost charge attack power. That looks... This looks like... This looks good, guys. This is looking good. And I gotta find out which button does this or how I do it. That's one way. I can't beat that one, guys. I waited a little bit on that one, guys. Oh! No! Get out of the poopy. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I stood in it, guys. I stood in it. I'm dead. I can't not die to that, guys. I gotta dodge one of those one of these days, guys. Okay. Dude, way too many health pots. Way too many health pots. Use charge spells. Yeah. Way too many health pots, man. Way too many health pots, guys. You guys want to watch this? I have no health pots. I have no health pots. And I'll tell you, the Bing, I should have. I'm just spamming it is what I'm doing. I need to like do a couple and dodge some attacks. The poison, I've never had so much trouble with the poison. I've never been bathed in it like that before. John Sardelli with 45 Facebook Gaming Stars. Thank you, John. What skills are spells considered charged? Yeah, charged skills are those that you can hold down before firing to increase your potency. The talisman just increases. This kind of charges itself, it feels like. You can't really charge it, right? He's getting out the blasphemous blade, folks. Best weapon in the game. You absolutely love to see it. Catherine McKay with these stars. Hype, Catherine. Thank you for that. Oh, man. I gotta... There's a quick one. I'm too close to him. I don't remember those goals. Dude, I was spamming R. I had no health. I had no health. I saw those skulls in a video and I'm like, I don't remember those skulls. Okay. I dodged a few of those attacks that time in phase 2. We don't need any mana pots. We don't need mana pots, guys. Flasks, allocate. We need less. We'll keep one just not to be a goober. I was doing pretty good damn there. I had horrible and I remember now how to do the quick one. You know, I think I even saw it in a video. Most like they say the meta is just to do the quick one. You don't do the big ones. I usually buff with Black Flame Protection after Golden Bow. Memorize spell. Here. Noble Presence, Black Flame Protection. Can use a sorcery incantation with present attributes. It costs 30 faith, and I only have 25. I tried, Dennis. I was going to go with it, man. Yeah, I was going to go with it, dude. Caleb says, oh, next time I was right. I turned you on YouTube, not signed into my YouTube account on my TV set. It lets me watch you. Cool, man. Cool. Whatever makes it easy, whatever makes it better for you, you know? But I do have a sub on YouTube for you. Cool, man. Thank you, man. Yeah, and you know what, guys? There's so much content on YouTube, man. There's a whole bunch of YouTube shorts that I made, reels. There's a bunch of stuff there, so check it out. And if you guys watch any of the videos or anything, throw them a like, leave them a comment. It helps. It helps. Okay. That was actually really not bad. It was like 20% second phase, right, guys? 25% second phase. It's not bad. Now we have the right number of pots. I'm going to take way less dam in the... And I'm gonna do the right spell too. I think it might even reach farther. Of course, I walked right into that one. You just gotta. Dude, I missed the first one. And I went to dodge the other one. I knew that attack. This is still better. That was so fast. That was. I never drank. So same thing, little bit better, guys. This guy took me a few tries after finding out about the serpent spear. Yeah. Well, if I summon a summons, the Mimi or something, it's just it's nothing. It's nothing. It's just over. Because he'll attack the Mimi, and I just sit there and beat on him. I gotta dodge a little bit of poison, and it's over. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll do a big one for an opener, and then we'll start with a bunch of little ones. Because we can, and we got all those skill things too. Poison's gonna kill me, guys. Okay. Phase 1. No hit phase 1, guys. No hit phase 1. No hit phase 1. That was a no hit phase 1, folks. Now I want to watch the whole freaking cutscene because I've never done that before. Not without a summons, you know what I mean? Lamau who says BHLHGLGALH. Lamau who, welcome. Caleb Boy says this guy took me a few tries after finding out. Yeah. Got that. Okay. Guys, we gotta stay focused because he'll just kill me. He'll just kill me.
Very well.
Oh yeah, I'm skipping this. We already saw this. Too far. Oh, he poked me. Drink. Wow, didn't expect that. I'm too close to him. That was bad timing. I can't be here, guys. I can't see anything. I'm fighting the camera. I'm fighting a wall. Wow. Get him. So close! Damn it! I tried, guys. I tried. Oh, man. That damn... Guys, I just kind of kept backing up a little bit, and then I had to do that big runaround, which really didn't cost me. That was so damn close, man. What does a guy gotta... What do you gotta freaking do, man? Oh my god. My freaking life. Okay. If we can get him 10%. That was a no-hit phase 1, guys. Well, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. I always hit the wrong button. Okay, charge attack and a bunch of little ones. No! I drank mana. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, it wasn't as good as the last one, but I still have 10 health pots, guys. I still have 10 health pots. Let's just shoot his body. There we go. We're shooting bodies now, folks. Bielski, what are you doing, man? What does the guy got to do to kill a serpent? Now, it was that second phase that got me stuck against the wall, right? Maybe, because I naturally kind of circled to the right. Maybe I'll consider trying to stay... Maybe I'll get a little bit closer and try and go to the left or something, and then to the right. Why would I do that? And I rolled right into that sword. Okay. Back in. What is this camera? I feel trapped again. Okay, get out of that. Dude, I didn't know what to do. I couldn't see anything. Look at this. That was still totally doable. What does the guy got to do to kill a serpent? I keep getting trapped, man. I keep getting trapped. It's my style. Okay, maybe I gotta start circling faster. You know what I'm saying? You guys feel me, right? Use the ring. Use the ring. He's cutting me off. He's cutting me off. It's literally boxing, guys. It's boxing. This is boxing. We're doing boxing right now. I'm gonna go a little closer too for the golden bow. And then pick the wrong freaking weapon. Okay. Why do I keep missing him? Because I don't have his head targeted? That wasn't bad at all. And I'm topping off, guys, for sure. I'm topping off for sure. Okay, I'm going to use the ring. Think chess. I'm going to use the ring. I'm going to start going to the right as I'm firing. Because he's going to be coming at me. And I got to have an out because I keep getting trapped. It's going to be a little slower dam. Here we go. Close enough? Backing up. Okay, that sucked. I'm standing in a poop. Dude, I'm trying to run away from the skulls. How come I can't freaking... Trey, good. I'm so glad, Trey. I was like, I'm glad Trey's not here. Because he's touching grass. He's doing something, man. Trey's always here. So I was actually happy for you. Trey. I want to show you something, Trey. I'm going to show you something, Trey. Look at her, man. Look at her. Look at her. We got her, Trey. We got her. People that play this and don't rage quit need to share their patience. Dude, we got her, man. We got her. What's up? Why you what? What? She's mad. She's mad, guys. We got her. We got her, and I... Didn't we... I think we won. Didn't we one attempt Commander Niall? Or did I have to go back? No. I think it was 2 attempts. But no, maybe it might have been 1. It was really easy. Commander Niall was really easy. Then I had to do the two people in the dark to get Margaret's Great Rune. I'm not... I have to dismiss her, though, guys. Goodbye. I can't use her, guys. I can't use her. It's against the rules. This is a no summons playthrough. I got the puppet, man. Yeah. About time. About time you got the puppet. I'm already... I tried an attempt with my spells, and I'm like, that ain't gonna happen. I did a no-hit phase 1. And I've had him at about 10%. But it's freaking rough, man. No! Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. I keep getting caught in the animation. I got to really, I'm being a little bit aggressive. You're getting owned. You got the puppet. I was tired for my day. Trey, I hope it was a good day, man. I was saying about time Trey showed up. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, we got this. That was like one of the worst first phases yet, which kind of sucks because you kind of want every attempt to be better, right? But oh wait, R, and then okay, and I missed the first hit, guys. I missed the first hit. That kind of sucks because I didn't get close enough. And I get hit from that every time. There's no way for me to avoid that, guys. That's unavoidable. Tell me. Do I have to jump? No! Die. I'm pretty topped off, guys. You could also use Flame Grant Me Strength since you're dealing physical damage. Flame Grant Me Strength would be pretty cool, but it wouldn't help me unless I got it off for phase 2 anyway. You know what I'm saying? Dude, no! Yeah. He did exactly what I didn't want him to do. No! Kill him! Got him, guys! Got him. Man, I was waiting... I was waiting to have a celebratory drink after I get my 100% steam and get my burn all. But after what I just freaking went through with that fool, I literally want it right now. Dude, Trey. Trey, you brought it, brother. Trey freaking brought it, man. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, Dennis? Like, I mean, Flame Grant Me Strength would help for phase 1, but it's not. It wouldn't carry me to phase 2, and phase 1 wasn't the problem. I mean, okay, last poll was the worst phase 1 I've had, except for when I wasn't using the serpent thing. And by the way, I never picked up my runes before. 600,000 runes gone. Would beat 1,000,000 right now, and we could get a level because I would go farm another level. But okay, so now Bernal should be at now Bernal should be at the Farumazula, right? That was nice. You know what I did when he was started summoning the skeletons? I hit him with the heavy, guys.
It's true then. No, defeat isn't until then. I suggest I will miss these. The champion. I always. This is perhaps we will meet again.
I really don't care. I ain't even talking to Bernal. Do I talk to him? How many places have you done? Ryan Armenta, this is number 19. Number 19. Which I can't believe. I can't believe. And I'm doing one right after this. Hey, Trey. I'm thinking about doing next playthrough, whatever build I go with, doing a hardcore summons build. Every summon I can get. And also summon you and Drew and any other subs that play on PC that want to get in. And if you're not around, Drew's not around, no other subs are around, do some summoning from the pool, from the just multiplayer. You know what I mean? Talk to him. Just to confirm, you had done his invasion in Capital, right? Oh, just to confirm. You put that comma. So that sounds like you're saying, Charlie, just to confirm, you had done his invasion in Capital, right? But that would say you have. But you're saying just to confirm you had done his invasion in Capital, right? But you're saying talk to him. Okay, I already talked to him before and he gave me I
harbor you no ill.
I think he's there because he gave me his.
The strong take.
He gave me his, what do you call it?
Code. Even any road, the volcano we made.
He gave me his invasion letter thing.
We hunted our own kind, and with everything in hand. Oh, greater will I am the we refuse. Oh, greater will I am the recusant Bernal. We refuse to become you.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go burn the freaking. I think I'm gonna go burn a Capital, guys. I think it's Capital burning time. And then Farum Azulas. And then I'm on 100% the game, guys. Okay. He'll be there. Yeah, I think he would be the minute he handed me his letter. If I went there, he would be there. I believe, based on kind of what I. Foot from the Forge, Giant's Grave Post. We're burning it. I'm burning the Capital, Trey. I think I'm good. I think I have all the weapons. Whoa. Wrong place. Don't you have to go back to Rykard Grace and kill the chick to make you mad? What? Go back to Rykard Grace and kill the chick? Dennis, what is that? If I go back to Rykard Grace, the chick is there? I'm not sure I understand this. Yeah, Ryan Armenta. My problem with the playthroughs, I've done all these playthroughs, but I have so many guides guiding me that my brain, I'm just lazy and I just don't remember all this stuff. The woman is there eating Rykard. No, you don't have to do that for Bernal, but you can. Is she hard to kill and it won't hurt anything? Because I don't think I've ever done that before. The lady eating Rykard. I don't think I've ever seen that. Go back to Rykard's Grace. Oh, wait. Have I seen this?
Oh, you... Allow me some time. Our lord's carcass is vast, and not easily consumed. Dear Rykard, please, find purchase within me.
Have I seen
wish
this?
To be your serpent, your family. One day, let us devour the gods together. Dear Rykard, I wish one day...
Okay, so now I can kill her? The lady eating Rykard. Now you're saying I kill her? Can I kill her with this serpent thing because it works, still works in the room? It doesn't. So how do you kill her? You just freaking bust a move or what? I kill her? Sticky Spectre says, this is great. Sticky, how you doing, man? Yeah, you seen this before? I'm trying to remember if I've seen this before. But I'll tell you one thing. I really don't remember killing her. And it's funny because she's like, look. That's his whole body right there. That's all that's left. And I didn't even grab this loot. Kill her. The lady eating Rykard. Yes, Caleb. The lady eating Rykard. No, you don't have to do that for Bernal, but you can, right. It's because I don't have a spell up. Should I just pop one of these on her, guys? A little low. A little high. I'm not really good at aiming. People, you see, like, streamers talk about their aim and stuff, and they've got amazing aim, some of these guys.
My lord, Rykard.
Why don't you guys tell me? I got no mana. We're dead. We're dead because we have no mana. And because I'm going to cast that Randy's Full Moon on this fool. That's why we're dead. I'm going to have to freaking melee him. Why don't you guys tell me? Why don't you guys tell me that this guy was going to invade? Why did you guys freaking tell me the guy was going to invade me? Did you guys know it? Is my stream on? It's on. Chat died. No one freaking told me. You guys just kind of let me, just let that happen, huh? Okay. Well, they're only runes. I guess they'll be right here. There wasn't that many of them. No one told me, man. I wasn't even ready. Man, I was at the freaking fire giant place. Never tried killing her, so this part is new to me. Yeah. Wow. I wonder what you get from that night. Is that something cool? And I guess I didn't even rest at the grace up here. Maybe I didn't. I didn't, guys. You know why? I don't want to get anywhere near it. I completely forgot about him invading. No, Dennis, it's okay. It's funny. I'm joking. Yeah, Dennis, I love you, my brother. I was totally kidding. Like, that's gaming. I'm glad you didn't tell me, because then I get to be surprised. That dude was pretty rough, too, man. I could have killed him with Big Bunk, I think. And if I was all buffed and I knew it was coming, it could have got a moon off. Maybe. It would have been a hell of a lot easier. Oh, and if I had mana pots. But I had 1 mana pot. That wasn't enough. We're burning a tree, folks. We're burning a tree, and then we're going to a little place called Farum Asula. Okay? Then I'm going to kill Bernal. I'm trying to think the best weapons to use on Bernal. Do I... And I get multiple tries, right, on Bernal? I mean, it's not like a... Doesn't he spawn, like, behind me or something? Guys, we're burning the tree, man. We're burning a tree, guys. It's unforgivable sin. It's like about a cadavra.
The lands between. This world is in dire need of repair and death.
Okay.
Indiscriminate. Are you prepared
To commit cardinal sin.
a cardinal sin?
That's not the first time a woman's ever asked me that question. And you know what I say? What I always say? I'm ready. Burning the tree, folks. Burn it!
Let my hand rest upon you.
Okay, we're gonna watch the freaking cutscene, guys. How fast can I get past the freaking birds, guys? The Marty birds. That's my question.
O Erd tree, you shall burn.
Burn, baby, burn. Okay? Burn, baby, burn. You shall burn. Let's play with the lights. Probably looks better. It's crazy. The brighter the lights, the better it looks.
For the sake
So
of
bright,
the new
guys.
Lord.
It's like, oh, man. Like, now my face is burning. We'll pretend we're a professional streamer for a minute.
Thank you for guiding me here.
Well, you have one eye, so. Could we... Oh, I thought she wanted me to touch her hand. We got Millicent a prosthesis, right?
One who walks alongside flame
Can we get her an eye, maybe?
shall one day meet the road of
That'd be great.
destined.
We bring her the fire giant eyewear. Oh, here! It still works.
Goodbye.
Would that be rude? Okay, guys. Capital is trashed, guys. Capital is trashed. This farum azulas. Right? Farum azulas. That was such an awesome scene when the world was like moving like that. We never did Carrion Study Tower. Well, we've done every ending. We never did Carrion Study Tower. So that means we don't get Randy's ending? I don't know. I don't think I've ever not done Carrion Study Tower, guys. I don't think we did it this run. What happens when that happens? Trey, thanks for like. Bielski, thanks for like. Sardelli, did I get that 45, 45, 45, 45? Yeah, I must have. But if I didn't, dude, thank you, man. Thank you for the stars. Okay, I don't think I have to jump. Guys, we have so many runes. We haven't been using runes for anything now. Alright, guys. The goal in life, John says you're good. Our goal in life is to get to... If I could kill one, that'd be great. He's getting everyone gonna come with him, though. These things have pretty good targeting, too. How come his sister didn't come? What's up, buddy? He's gonna move all around. He's not gonna come at me. That's a problem. I'm just trying to make the run a little easier. And he doesn't aggro the sisters? That's a trip 0.5, guys. That would be a trip and a half. Okay, good. We can... I would call that an easier run. I knew he was going to block the door! I've never made this run with, Gargoyle is hot on my tail, folks. Are they still coming? No, they're afraid to leave their home. Why must I get the loot? The dragon. I need to kill this man. I'm gonna get this loot too, though. Being greedy, guys. I'm greedy. Dragon grease, guys. We don't need it. We could turn around and use it on him. No, but we'd have to put it on a sword. That's dumb. We also have to put our swords back on, guys. Good. We're gonna do that right now. Sombers for the next 5 playthroughs. Okay. Check. Equipment Dorio. Remove. Wait, here, and they're very easy to find because they're huge and they're blue, folks. They're big and blue. Get the big blue swords, not those blue swords. These blue swords. That one, and this one. Now it went back up to the top right here. Okay, I think we've been made whole again. Oh, wait a minute. What are we doing next? We're gonna fight Bernal. We're gonna talk trinkets when we get there, guys. Because I want to kill Bernal in the first attempt if we can. I actually feel like I want to go get that glove ore. Because it's the highest level glove ore, right? Oh, but I have 33 million freaking runes. Screw it. Not doing it. Dude, that was a little bit laggy. I always LOS them like this. I don't know if it's smart. Okay, I'm having a Wilma moment, so we'll just get out of here. They didn't follow me that far. Last time I did this, I screwed up, guys. What? I freaking died! Well, we got the Grace. The runes are right there. It's probably not... That's probably not the worst thing that could have happened, right, guys? I think we're going to be okay. Let me look at something here. Bada bing, bada bing. Yep, we're good. Okay, okay. Chat sure quieted down, guys. You guys are chilling, man. That's okay. It's my show, but I'm just saying. You guys are chilling, man. You guys are just laying back and enjoying the show. I could appreciate that. Oh my god, what if I fell right there? It doesn't matter. Okay. I'm not getting this loot. I can never see where I'm going here. There we go. Oh my god, I have to do Godskin Nobles before I can get to Bernal? That's freaking crazy. Isn't there an arch over here somewhere too? Godskin Nobles, dude. Solo? I might sleep pot him. How the hell am I mean, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna buff up and try it. But I don't know, man. No summons Godskin Nobles might be sleep pots. Okay. Yeah, well, soloing them is going to be a whole nother animal, man. And I'm afraid to put on that thing that takes the mass damage. You know what I'm saying? Where is it? Right here. I almost feel like this is it. Of skills. I'm not using skills. I'm not using skills. I'm not using skills. Did we talk about shortened spell casting time? And that's not good. Why? Non-physical damage negation probably could be good. Let's go for... This is gonna suck, man. This is gonna suck, guys. I'm gonna try. On the first attempt, I think I'll have time to buff. Am I right? Flasks. Allocate. Eight and 6. 9 and 5. 8 and 6. 9 and 5. God. Oh, Black Flame Protection. Oh, I put it... I learned Black Flame Protection, but I didn't, we didn't have the malarkey for it. Okay. They're both coming. They can't come in. What, I mean, I hate to be like this, guys, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? All I know is Mama didn't raise no quitter. You know what I'm saying? But geez Louise over here with the this is just like suicide, guys. Oh, I should have mooned him. Bad pull. Bad pull. I want to hit him so bad with this, I don't even care. I'll run down again. Okay, little reset here. He hits so hard. Oh, I needed him to hit the freaking wall, man. And that was no good. Little reset here. I didn't need that. Why is he not targeted? Kill him! I just wanted to kill the one for a second, guys. I gotta go. I enjoyed your show. John Sardelli, thanks for being here, man. Guys, if I could get a moon off. If I could get a moon off. You know what I'm saying? That was like, I forgot about my first spell. And I could maybe do a Terra Magica 2. And I'll tell you why. It does so much damage. Just a few spams at the beginning will be worth it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little. I waited a little bit longer, and the timing on the other night seemed to be pretty good. And it's not now. I might make a fog wall though. Get away from the message. He almost got me through the wall. They're already coming, guys. What am I looking for here? Ready to go up. Oh my god, get me out of here. Low reset. I didn't flask up. Well, there goes all those flasks I just drank. I thought he was rolling, guys. He is. Ah! Ah! That was so sad. Why would he do that? Dude, again, almost 50%, and Fat Boy was almost dead. And I didn't even freaking flask up at the beginning. Do I kill these guys on the way in? So I can buff outside? Let's goof around for a sec. Yeah, these guys are way too powerful to kill. I mean, I could kill them, but I'm gonna burn pots and all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I gotta run past them. Catherine McKay says, no! Oh, this is gonna be the thing that slows me down, guys. This is gonna be tricky. Well, you know what? We only got one. But it doesn't matter if I don't have time to buff. Come on! Oh, I don't have a spell. There's one. Maybe I can get a moon. I bet I can get a moon off here. Didn't get her. Didn't get her. And my buffs are going away. Wow, he's on me. I didn't realize that. He double rolled! Where is she? Dude! Has anyone ever seen the rolls attack like this before? Eating everything. I try to roll them both at the same time. Do you see that? What did she just do right there? I killed her, guys. This is it. I have to do it right here. Oh, I should have done a moon. She comes back. She comes back? I thought she was gone forever, guys. I didn't roll that. Why? They're double. Well, of course, they're double teaming. He came up over it. Look at what I did! Did you guys see that fight? I almost freaking beat him, dude. I almost beat them. I almost just freaking beat the Godskin duo, man. They were freaking like 10%, man. Son of a gun. Wow. And you know what? I just kind of put on trinkets. Those probably aren't. If I went to the peanut gallery, you guys would probably tell me, Catherine, that's like one of the hardest fights in the game without summons or sleep. That's a really, really hard fight with those two of them. I mean, I'm not trying to talk it up. I just cannot believe I came that close. This is going to be interesting, killing these freaking things. This is going to be interesting, guys. Catherine McKay, thank you for the kind words. Oh my God, I wanted that so bad. I wanted that so bad. I got to be quicker on switching my moons. I could have got my moon off way quicker. Would have took less damage. Yep. I got to have more awareness of both of them throwing their fireballs. If I had 5 more points in that flame thing, it would stop the black flame damage for a little bit. If I could just kill those 2 freaking guys outside easily, then I could buff up outside. I could walk in Terra Magica and moon that fool. And I could freaking get one of them pretty low, pretty quick, because if I get 4 or 5 shots on inside the Terra Magica fully buffed, that's how I melted. That's how I did the twin gargoyles. Same thing. Man, winter just started already. Tired of shoveling. Oh, Caleb, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, guys, it got hot today in Texas. Not hot. It was in the 70s. It was in the 70s today. Last night was freezing, like, I think 20s. And tonight's going to be below freezing. But today it was in the 70s. I shut my heaters off this morning. Then we were streaming and I opened the door because it was hot in here. And the sun was in my face. I'm like, oh, screw that. I closed the door and I had to turn the AC on. I could have froze to death last night and then I had to use the AC today. They talk about Texas. They joke about Texas like that, but it could be like that, man. Guys, I'm going to call it, man. I think this is a great, great start. I think I need to do this for a full stream because I've been streaming already for 2.5 hours or 2 hours 45 minutes, and I don't want to I don't want to start something that might take 3 hours to do. Do you know what I'm saying? There could have been a little bit of RNG in that right there. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. You know what I mean? And but that was good. That was really, really good. I had him. Caleb, I had him. Thank you guys for being here. What a great stream, man. Guys, if you're watching on Twitch or YouTube or any of those other platforms, drop me a like, a follow, a sub. I appreciate it. Guys, on the Facebook stream, please drop me a like on your way out. I love you guys. Say goodbye, and every comment helps this thing live and go stronger forever, man. Wow, I'm a little bit bummed out because I'm like, this is it. I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. And I need to do it now because I knew there was a little bit of lucky RNG there, man. I just knew it. I mean, okay, I did okay. But, man, no. Son of a gun. It was a good stream. Thank you so much, Catherine. I had so much fun. It was good for me. It was good audience. It was a good, we got a lot done. We had a lot of fun. We killed a freaking fire giant this morning. If you guys didn't catch the stream this morning, watch the fire giant, man. Watch the fire giant. And definitely check me out on all my socials, man. On all platforms. Twitch, Kick, YouTube. And there's videos there. There's Elden Ring shorts there. Some of them were kind of funny. Some are kind of interesting. And check out that stuff. And if you're over there at Charlie Sardo Gaming, give me a sub. Freaking love you guys, man. Trey, dude, watch the last Godskin poll right at the end. Right at the end, at the 2 hour and 40 minute mark. Oh my God. Oh, I have almost a little bit of a headache, guys. I'm like stressed. I'm a little bit stressed out. I swear to God. That's how awesome that was. I was so engaged. I don't want to watch a replay because I don't want to see my face. I'm like, I guarantee you, my mouth gets open, right? I'm like, I hope I didn't. But I've seen it before. And it wasn't pretty, folks. What a great stream, man. What a great time. Thank you, guys. I love you guys. I will catch you guys all later. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm streaming every day these days, guys, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Freaking love you guys, man. Thank you, guys.